Hello all, Ankit this side. In this video, we are going to learn about how to replace root volume using Snapshot. To learn about this particular topic, we need one EC2 machine, which I have already created, a Linux EC2 machine. For the practice purpose, if you want to create a Windows machine, you can create a Windows machine also. Now, the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect to this particular machine with the help of putty. And under that particular EC2 machine, I'm going to create some files. Open, entering our default username ec2-user. Because I'm using Amazon Linux, so default username is ec2-user. Now I'm going to create some files. Let's just check, do we have any existing file before that? No, I don't have any. So I'm creating file 1 and file 2. Here I've created 2 files. Now, what is the next thing I'm going to do is by using this particular volume, which I have the root 1. For the specific volume, I'm going to first create a snapshot. So let's quickly create a snapshot. Go to snapshots, click on create snapshot. By using this volume, I'm going to do that and create snapshot. Done. So I'm able to create the snapshot. Let's go to volume and I'm noting down the volume. This is the default volume which I have for my particular EC2 machine. So again, go to snapshot. Yes, it is completed. Now go to instance, select your EC2 machine, click on storage. Scroll down. Here I'm able to see the default volume which I'm getting. And here we have an option of replace root volume. So click on replace root volume. So here we have 3 options for restoring, means to replace it to new volume. One is launch state, other one is snapshot, and the third option is image. So here we are learning about snapshot. So select snapshot, and here we need to select the specific snapshot. With the help of this, I'm going to replace the volume, and we can check this checkbox. The system will delete our existing volume. But before click on create replacement task, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove one of the files. So I'm going to remove file 2. So now we have only file 1. So means when system is going to create our new volume with the help of snapshot, so you will see both the files again, file 1 and file 2. Create replacement task. Done. Remember that point, guys, this will take some time. So here we can see volumes. Now we are able to see 2 volume. One volume is in available state, other one is in use. So we need to wait here. So system will delete our existing volume and attach the new one. And we can go to instance also. Here also, if you go to the storage, you will see a new volume ID. Right now, our volume ID in the last we have 293. So we'll get something else there. So we need to wait here. So refresh this page. Taking some time. Now we have a machine get disconnected, but still we need to wait. Still taking more. Still showing us in use for existing volume. Still taking more time. Fish. Still taking more time. We can also go to instance. We can refresh here also. Volume. Still in process. Now you can see here the older volume we have at 293 is showing an in available status. The new one is showing us in use. And now system will automatically delete our older volume because we have checked the checkbox. System needs to delete. And let me refresh this page also once. So select this option, click on storage. Here we are getting, but still this is one is in the attaching status. This will take some time. So here also we can see the task status. What task status is showing us as in progress. We need to wait here. So this particular task is completed. Once it is completed, then we can connect to this particular EC2 machine and you can see those two files which we have here. Earlier we have two files, file 1 and file 2. After that we have created a snapshot. But after that what we have done, we have deleted one file. And then with the help of that snapshot, we are creating a new volume and linking to our machine. So it means system is deleting the old one and attaching a new one. So it means the files we have earlier, we will see those files also there. But for this, we need to wait. And we can see the status as 1/2 check passed also we are getting here. Let me refresh this page. I'm selecting the machine, go to storage. Let's check the status is showing us as successful. Now let's just try to connect to this machine. I'm going to restart the session. I don't think so we can connect now because this will take some time because status is showing us as 1/2 pass. And this will take some time to update the status check also. No, still we are not able to connect to our machine. To remove the status check, you can directly reboot the machine or you can wait it here. System will update the status automatically 2/2 check passed. Let me try to restart the session. Now it is done. Status is not yet updated, but we can connect our machine. That's why it is showing us as login as. Now give us EC2-user. And you can see we are able to connect and I type ls. we are able to see both the files, file1 and file2. So this is how you can replace your root volume with the help of Snapshot. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.